in this section, we're going to learn about trees. A tree is a graph that is connected. It has no circuits. All trees have the following properties. There's only one path joining any two vertices. Every edge is called a bridge. And a tree with n vertices must have n minus 1 edges. So if you have 8 vertices, you're going to have 7 edges. If you have 6 vertices, you're going to have 5 edges. So let's look at these and identify if they're trees or not. This one's obviously not a tree because it doesn't connect everything, okay? For this one, you have 5 vertices, you would have to have 4 edges, and there's only 1. This one does have 4 edges. Everything is connected. That would be a tree. Now this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges, and it makes a circuit, so that one is not considered a tree. Here's a graph. This is our original graph. Let me move something down here. Okay, let me move this part down. Our original graph is this one. And what we want to create is what's called a spanning tree. Okay? These are called subgraphs, by the way, when you have a spanning tree. There are 2 different possible ones that are shown here. Okay? This was not a tree because it had a circuit here, but when we take BC out, we can come up with this, and we do have a tree. Another way to do that is if you take the line right here out, then you also have a tree. So those are both possible subgraphs. So let's look at example 2, and we're going to find a spanning tree for this graph. Now we have 8 vertices. Okay, it means we need 7 edges. And this particular graph has 12 edges. So we're going to have to remove 5 of those edges. On the next page, they have the solution. They took and they removed A to B. They removed A to D. They removed D to C. And they also removed F to G. And what we have now is no circuits. We have 1 edge between each vertice. And we have 7 edges total. So we know that this one, let me shrink it just a little bit for us so we can put it here. We know that that one would be a spanning tree. There's more than one, but in this particular case, that's the one they came up with.